Check out this Kia 2020 Soul S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 147 horsepower, 2.0L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, center console, full-width storage and clock-in radio display. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.